Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. It is now 3:45 Eastern time, and I have to do the videos because I'm going to leave tonight and I'm going to come back very late. So I prefer to do just a quick video before the close. So hopefully it won't change much within the next 13 minutes or so. What we have so far is Tesla up $35.81. That's a nice bounce up from this support right here, support at around 997. So we seem to be closing at around 1050. This is a very nice green candle. So we are making a higher low and a higher high also. And we broke this support right here at 1027.25. So we are back into the congestion zone between 1027.25 and 1116.82. Let's go see quickly the 1 hour chart. So what happened today was that we opened at 1003. And if I even go back to the 5-minute chart, 16th, yes, so right here. So we opened at 1003 and then rallied up quite fast, stabilized and rallied again. And now we are basically staying put at that point here. Nice bounce basically off of the horizontal support that we had here, this intraday support, and also let me go here, the second channel, the third channel support bounce. So lots of pressure on this bounce. So this is very interesting to see that Tesla has some strength in it, at least for the short term. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we still have stochastic at 91, quite strong. RSI over 50, MACD crossed over bullish, and DMI is also close to crossing over bullish. So it seems like Tesla wants to come back into play. Going back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, a little bit more long term, then stochastic at 50, not so bad. We still have the RSI into this descending resistance, but over 50, MACD crossed over bearish. It's going to take a little while for all of these indicators to come back positive if the stock does on the intraday chart, on the 1 hour chart, and the DMI is still considering disabled trend. So nice bounce for Tesla. It might just be a little bit of a bounce and we might be coming back and retest this support right here, but watch out for 1116.82. And if you find that this is too far, switch to the 1 hour chart and start looking at 1079.82. Because right now on the 1 hour chart, we are between 1027.25 and 1079.82. If you are more short-term oriented, then you can maybe play this move here because see how Tesla is making it up here. It's making it up here approximately at 1054.97. So once we break that, then 1079.82 is within reach. That's $20 right there, but then it can also continue on. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.